Oh yeah.
It's an in-house league. It's not that like big.
Yeah,
It's for the community.
I used to love basketball.
Oh yeah.
Not so much.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of our trucking vlog. You know, it's your boy Mike Ontario. Woo! Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa kinuha ko, nag-hook up na ako sa MT trailer. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta, pero samahan nyo ako sa another interesting adventure na naman.
Wow.
Kasi hindi na naman natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Saan tayo kukuha ng load pabalik sa home yard. So ngayon, it's morning. It's around, what time is it? Saan yung cellphone ko? Oh, yung cellphone ko guys, nawawala. Yung cellphone ko. Ano yung cellphone ko? Yun lang. Nawala yung cellphone ko guys. So, yun, ngayon, anyways, I think it's 10:30 in the morning. So ngayon, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Syempre, ito yung breakfast natin guys. Guys. Solid, diba? Ano yan, may itlog pa tayo.
Wow.
Lagi kasi ako nagpre-prepare ng mga pagkain dito. So, para madali ang buhay. Hindi rin magastos. Save money. Woo! So yun, mamaya, naman nyo ako. Kuha tayong load, pabalik. Ako'y kakain muna. After ko kumain, alis na tayo. And kukuha ng load para makauwi na. Let's go!
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our sides. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I cannot hide it. Went through wherever your mind then. The laces that goes over your tight dress. White dress. Tell me that you feel like I do. Cherry kisses super smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
Ito yung view ito yung view na dinadaanan papuntang this is Pennsylvania, but ito yung dinadaanan namin palagi papuntang mga tagos ng papuntang I-81. Yung sa mga last vlog ko kung napanood nyo, diba, dumaan tayo ng mahaba. Pumunta tayo ng South Carolina, dinaanan din natin yung I-81 pero sa kabila yun. Ito kasi Peace Bridge yung tagos na ito. So ayan yung view ko guys, napaka parang siya linisan natin yung yung mirror. Dadaan tayo mamaya sa Flying J kasi maglilinis tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng truck guys. Parang talagang binagyo tayo kagabi. Solid. Ngayon, yan, tuyo na yung kalsada. Parang wala lang. So ayan, stay put lang dyan and samahan nyo ako. Ayan yung view natin, napakaganda. Sa summer guys, hopefully makita rin natin yung mga yan. And syempre magpapalit na yung mga yan. Ngayon natutulog yung mga puno eh, kaya kaya ganun. Kaya parang lahat sila brown. Dito guys, ang ganda dito sa sa 22 West. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ito yung road, pangalan ng road, ayan, nasa right side, 22 West. Yan, may train truck sa gilid. Wow, ang ganda ng glacier ba tawag yan? Yan na, tumigas na tubig. Pero yan guys, nasa left side natin ang lake. Yeah, lake. Solid sa ganda. Ang maganda pa dun, Friday na, uuwi na naman tayo. Ano ba to? Nagbe-break to. Tulog na ba to? Ayan nyo, parang ano to, ewan ko, mga veteran na kasi nandito sa Pennsylvania, kaya ganito eh. Parang ano sila. Pero ayun, nakatulad yan, mga ganyan, veteran na sila. Yeah, as a truck driver guys, pag naging truck driver kayo, you need to be patient with this kind of drivers. Siyempre lahat naman tayo dadaan sa tayo sa pagiging matanda. Pero ayun lang, asa bata pa tayo, sa batang truck driver, lang tayo, be patient sa mga ganun driver. So ayun, dito na yung Flying J. Maglilinis muna tayo, makikita nyo kung gaano kadumi yung truck guys. Sakto. Dapat dito ako matutulog kagabi, kaso hindi na, dinaretso ko na dun sa drop off point. So ayan, maglilinis lang tayo dito. Lang gagawin natin. So tara. So yun guys, maglilinis lang tayo ng natin. Grabe, tignan nyo guys yung truck. Digmaan. Sobrang dumi man. Sa digmaan. Grabe yung dumi guys. Pero ito, normal to sa winter. Parang dumaan sa bagyo. Pero binagyo talaga tayo agad guys. Uy. Linisan natin yan para may makita tayo. Ano tayo makita eh. Lalo na to, importante, pinaka-importanteng mirror sa lahat nito. Lahat naman ng mirror guys, importante, pero this one, ang pinamalay kasi kita mo yung lahat. Diyan sa likod ng trailer. Tingnan nyo guys, so kakapunas na natin yan, pero ang duki talaga. Ayaw pa yan ng ganyan. Okay. Ito pa. Reset din natin yan. No, oh, ha? Kita nyo na guys, oh. Yung headlight guys, kahit ito lang, headlight lang. Tapos kabilang side naman tayo, kabilang side. Tignan nyo, putang ano, grabe. Grabe yan guys. Yung dumi. Yung dumi. Yung dumi. Yung dumi. Ayan. Yung dumi. Grabe, dumi. Utang ko na guys. Fucking dirty. It's dirty. Dirty, dirty. Kailangan tanggalin natin lahat ng ano guys. Dumi-dumi. Oops. Yan. Diba? Yan. Medyo okay na yan. Okay. Ito lang. Nalinisan natin. Okay. This one. Yan. Last but not the least, yung headlight natin guys. Grabe. Ang dumi. Tara. Dikit mo, naka-t-shirt to. Yan. Tara guys, larga na tayo para makauwi na. So guys, nakikita nyo sa right side natin nandito yan, nakikita yung right side natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano lake yan pero ang ganda ng view dito din. Flat surface lang siya pero yung mga bahay-bahay para siyang nasa parang barracks ganun. Parang what you call this thing, military base yung mga bahay-bahay dito. Ayun, enjoy lang the view and mamaya nasa customer na tayo. Yan, samahan nyo lang ako. Maraming salamat.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. Take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the.
So yun guys, kung nakikita nyo, dalawang two-way na lang tayo. Kasi na to, wala na tayo sa highway. Nandito na tayo sa side roads. 5 more minutes, nandun na tayo sa sa customer.
1 kilometer ahead, use the left lane to stay on US 220 North Frank D. O'Reilly Jr. Highway.
Yun, lagi ko lang kasi ginagawa guys, kaya mabilis. So yun guys, like literally 5 minutes away from the customer, and yeah, para makauwi na tayo at busy tayo this weekend. Hopefully ma-vlog ko rin yung weekend lifestyle vlog natin para madagdagan naman. So yun, we're almost there. Ano natin yan, what you call this, kita-kits na lang mamaya uli pag nasa customer na tayo. Samahan nyo, kunin natin yung load, i-drop natin tong empty trailer natin. So yun guys, andito na tayo. Shipping receiving entrance. Ayan. Bahala na sila dyan. Dun yung truck natin. Shipping receiving entrance. Hello. Good, how are you? Picking up.
6114.
36153.
What's mag basketball?
What's that?
What's mag basketball?
Oh, that's MRG. It's so it was built since 2010. It's all about basketball brotherhood, and then right now they have a league in Toronto.
Oh yeah.
It's an in-house league. It's not that like big.
Yeah,
It's for the community.
I used to love basketball.
Oh yeah.
Not so much anymore. It's kind of gotten. The NBA to me just
True.
Well,
It
yeah.
sucks now, to be honest. Like I'm a basketball fanatic.
Yeah, I was.
But
up
no.
until probably 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I can't stand LeBron either.
Hey, a lot of people do.
Ugh. What's your empty number?
It's L629. That's why I love my company.
Yeah.
Like, right now I'm going home. I can still play
Yeah.
on weekends.
Yeah.
Trust me, if I can't play on weekends,
Yeah.
I feel sick on Mondays.
Yeah. You need another Cresco. Six, I'll put this guy in because it's empty. We'll leave it look okay. He's picking up 5, I'll put him in 6. What's actually how long's a little bit? Okay, thanks. Bye. Yours isn't done. They haven't even started. It said it's gonna be about 2 hours.
What time is it?
It is 2:18.
So is there any more preloaded trailer ready?
Let me look. No,
No.
no, somebody picked up the last one.
All right. So it said 2 hours.
Yeah. You want to, you can get, if you go over there, it's over in door 5 at building 10.
Okay.
You know where that is?
Yeah.
Can you drop your empty in door 6?
Door 6.
Yeah.
All right.
Drop your empty in 6 and hook
And then
to 5.
hook up a 10. Gotcha.
Yeah, hook up to 5, and then when they give you a green light, walk inside, get the paperwork there.
All right.
Alright?
So not from here, from them.
Building 10, yeah.
Alright.
Don't come back here. Yeah, no need. They'll print everything out over
All right.
there.
All right.
So,
All right. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.
see ya.
So yun guys, damn. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for 2 hours. Same preloaded trailer natin is hindi pa naloloadan. Well, it is what it is. Pero makakauwi tayo ngayong gabi. Ano yan? makakauwi tayo ngayong gabi no matter what happened. Walang makakapigil sa atin. So yun, hopefully mabilis na yung ano nila, yung pag-load. And i-drop muna natin tong trailer natin. And pupunta tayo dun sa pick-upan ng ano, trailer. Let's go! So yun guys, naloadan na tayo. And on the way na tayo pabalik sa ating terminal. So samahan nyo ulit sa adventure na pabalik. Let's go! So yun guys, nasa Buffalo na tayo. Probably 5 minutes na lang ba?
1 kilometer ahead, take exit 53 to I-190.
20 minutes? No. Mga 15 minutes papuntang ano, bago natin ma-reach yung border. And yeah.
Take exit 53 on the right.
500 meters ahead, take exit 53 to I-190 north.
Downtown Buffalo. Makikita nyo to sa gabi.
Take exit 53 to I-190 north.
Makikita nyo sa gabi yan. Downtown Buffalo. Dadaanan natin guys. Iba't ibang part. Part ng ano pala, downtown. See ya guys. Mga ganyan kasi nag-change lane tayo para makapasok sila. Pero don't just wait for the last minute. Simple lang guys, parang ano lang din. Parang Toronto lang din, pero alam mo yun. One day makakapunta tayo sa downtown kaso yung mga ibang truck driver kasi ayaw pumunta dyan. New York, downtown, and New Jersey, mga ayaw nila. Buffalo at night. Ayan yan. Guys. Ayan lang, simple lang yung ano nila, yung downtown na simple yan, mas simple, mas better I think. Ayun. Ayun lang yung mga view natin sa gabi. Hindi nyo kasi makita, wala pa tayong ano lights. Susunod may lights na tayo para makakita nyo na. Dito na tayo sa border. Sa border guys. So ayun, same procedure pero ano, depende pala sa officer to, depende sa officer. Lagi namang ganun. Ayun ang bibigay natin yung AC ACI so, from border to sa home yard ko is an hour 45 minutes so. Basyo na guys, malas di tayo nakabili. Next time na lang. Next time na lang. Nakatawid na tayo guys. Ganun lang simple. Minsan kasi dami rin tanong ng officers eh.
50 meters ahead, straight on ramp to Queen Elizabeth.
Pero ngayon medyo wala namang tanong. Minsan tinatanong pa saan ka nakatira, ilang araw kang ano, kung saan ka kumuha, kung saan ka kumuha ng saan ka nag-deliver ng load mo, and saan ka kumuha ng ano, nag-pick up ng load mo, ganun. Ito siya ano lang, mabilisan lang.
Straight on ramp to Queen Elizabeth way north.
Tinanong lang sa akin, diba? Narinig nyo naman. What did you buy? What do you have? Ayun lang. So ayun, natawid na tayo. We're officially in Canada. Siyempre, ayun, sasamahan nyo ako hanggang makapunta tayo sa yard. So yun guys, nasa QEW na tayo. You know, I think mga tropa sa Ontario. Ano yan, alam na nila to. They're so familiar with this kind of with this road. I mean, Hamilton area na to eh. No, not really. No, wala na pala tayo sa Hamilton. Burlington na pala, Burlington. Itong tatawiran natin is tinatawag nito is James and Allen Skyway Bridge. Yun sa Burlington na bridge. Yung mga familiar dyan, yung mga laging yung tropang mga nag-shopping papuntang outlet sa Niagara Outlet. Yan. Alam nila yung ano, dadaanan nila to, dadaanan. Maliwanag na dito guys. So, ayan na yung bridge. Yung James and Allen Skyway Bridge. Diba? Ni-research ko pa yan guys. Ayan. So from here I think mga 30 minutes na lang. So yun guys, andito na tayo guys. And we're here. Yan ang ano namin, driver's lounge namin. Yan, madilim na kasi gabi na guys. Lalagay ko lang yung mga paperworks ko dito. Ito na yung mga paperworks ko dyan. Diyan kaya lang yun. Ito natin yun. Okay. Isang load lang tayo guys. Isang load lang. So yun na guys, driver's lounge. Uyan na. Ano, kita nyo. May mga free ano dito. Mga ano, hot chocolate and stuff. So ayun, maraming salamat again sa for another adventure na natapos natin. And sana wag kayong magsawang sumuporta and stuff. Wag nyo kalimutan i-follow yung page natin. Andirito yan sa side na yan. Ayun. Shoutout natin si shoutout natin si Baki. Kilala ng lahat yan pagdating sa pagiging malupit. So ayun, maraming salamat again. And dito na natapos ang adventure natin. Another adventure. Mike Ontario out.